Hello, my friends. I'm gonna talk about the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis, I'm going to try to explain the basis of the photosynthesis and the importance that it has with our lives. Second, please. Give me a second. Okay, okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okay. This is my 20th video in English, making a monologue because I want to improve my fluency. So I'm going to make a lot of this kind of videos for getting my vocabulary that it's in my head, to let it get out, to get some fluency. And so I chose an item, and I talk about this item. In this occasion, I've chosen the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis is a process used by plants to convert the energy from the sun, to convert it into chemical energy. We know that chemical energy as carbohydrates, or something like that. Carbohydrates or sugar. Yes. The plants convert the energy from the sun through the leaves. The leaves trap the energy from the sun using water and using carbon dioxide. They take the energy from the sun, they put some water, they take carbon dioxide, and they produced chemical energy, sugar. And the product of this chemical reaction gives as a result oxygen. So the plant makes, by the process called photosynthesis, they make sugar and oxygen. It's very interesting because the animals, we don't produce photosynthesis. We don't use our hands to put in at the sun and convert this energy from the sun to sugar. And the sugar is our fuel. We need the sugar to live, to move. Our most important ailment, our most important ailment is sugar. If we don't take sugar, we would die, because the sugar is the fuel, as the gasoline is the fuel for our cars. And we take the sugar from the plants. We take the sugar from the plants. We take the sugar, and we produce with that sugar the carbon dioxide that go to the atmosphere, and the plants take this carbon dioxide, and the plants take the energy from the sun, and they produce oxygen and sugar again. Sugar is very important for us, but sugar is also important for the plants. The plants produce sugar for themselves. They produce sugar because they need that fuel too, as if they were animals. But they produce a lot of sugar. They produce sugar for their own plant, produce sugar to store. Maybe the plants are afraid that the sun doesn't come again tomorrow, and they produce in excess. The plant that produce more sugar in excess is the cane. So we have the cane sugar, because the cane, they have a lot of leaves, and they produce a lot of sugar. We know what part of the plant produce sugar by the color of the part of the plant. The color green gives you an idea that there in that place of the plant there is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is the plant needs the chlorophylls to make the conversion from the energy from the sun to the chemical energy to produce sugar and to produce oxygen. I hope this little explanation helps you to understand what photosynthesis is. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.